All right, what's going on YouTube, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Minak, wait for your live. Thank you, bro. Francois, good morning from cold South Africa. Hope you're making that bread today. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Hope you guys are doing well. Still letting a few more people join in, and then we will get started. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm jumping on a day earlier today because I can't make stream tomorrow. But I'll still be jumping again on Friday as well. Let me just get up the charts. So I'll let a few more people join. It's only 7 a.m. London time. We just got that hourly close. So we're going to see if we can get some nice snipes today. But if you guys can see, let me try and show you guys my view. Beautiful. Guys, remember, drop a little like for the stream, and we'll get sharing. Start sharing my screen in a second. Damn. Yeah, amazing spot. Amazing spot, man. Let me just invite you guys on Zoom. All right, let me get up Zoom as well. Invite people, copy link. All right, let's do it. London sesh. Cool. All right. How many likes we got? 6 likes, 12 people viewing. Remember, guys, drop a little like to the stream. Drop a little like. GJ is melting. Yeah, GJ's have a nice little pullback to potentially go higher. Create a nice bottom wick on this current daily on GJ. I'll start sharing my screen soon. 4 hours, quite a nice level of support. We could start to find some nice support and potentially flip up bullish. No top wick on this current 4 hourly either, which is nice. That's what we want to see. I'm just going to let the guys in on Zoom, and then we'll start sharing my screen and start breaking down the charts. But yeah, hopefully we get some nice volume today. Gold yesterday was very, very choppy. Getting some nice breakouts on gold right now this morning, so this could be nice for us. All right, let me see. Let me let the guys in. 8 likes, 9 likes. Appreciate it, guys. One more like and I'll start sharing my screen. Let me let the boys in on Zoom as well. Trading view. All right. Ten likes. Look at that. Appreciate it, guys. All right, let me start sharing my screen. Let me just change my mic. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Change my AirPods. Cool. There we go. All right, let's start breaking down everything. Let me get this out of the way. Who's on? All right, let me start breaking down. Start having a look at gold. Let me get this out of the way. Gold. All right, let's go on the daily on gold. So yesterday on gold, we closed very, very doji. And yesterday's session, I'm trying to long gold into Friday's highs or short it into Friday's lows. I think gold needs to come and grab some daily highs and lows before we get a next real move. So from an intraday perspective, that's kind of the plan still. Yesterday, gold did absolutely nothing, just stayed in this little range. And we finally, right now this morning, had this first pre-London breakout, which is nice. We've got Friday's low sitting all the way down here. So if we get some nice closures, we could potentially look to short it down to those. So that's Friday's low, that's Friday's high. We're now breaking this support. So if we clear this level, we come and grab that previous 30-minute high. We've got 120 pips into the lows, which is fantastic. So if we can get that, that would be amazing. I'm just going to adjust my levels a little bit. We just want to see a nice closure below here. 30 hasn't closed just yet. This 30 is looking like it's going to close, which is great. So once we do get that, amazing. We can look for that play on gold. So let me just bring these down. So we've got liquidity, let me just type it out. Liquidity sitting there. I believe we have liquidity sitting above here as well. So these are the kind of the overall range that we're going to be playing in gold today. Although gold is ranging from, when we grab this to that low is 130 pips, up into highs, we got another 100 pips as well. So that's more than enough, and that's what we want to see. Minimum of like a 30 pip range on gold for us to ever want to trade it. So ideally, plan of action for gold right now as it stands, we break this support with a nice 30-minute close. The next 30-minute comes up to grab the previous 30-minute high, and then we could look to play it back down as there. However, if this 30-minute doesn't break this level and wicks back above, then maybe we can long it up into the high. So we don't care which way it's going to go. We're just going to react once we get this 30 closure. So that's the ideal play. But if we do break back above and we can potentially look for longs into the high, which I was trying to do yesterday, amazing. We will do that. Let's have a look at GJ. Let's go on the daily. Let me just... my AirPods. Cool. Yeah, so GJ yesterday on the daily had a fantastic daily close, closing very, very strong, finally breaking under this little minor range. And currently today, during Asia, we've just opened and pushed straight down. We've not even had a tiny little wick to highs. So if this is the bottom wick for GJ to potentially flip bullish once we come back down and retest this support, resistance support, then amazing. We could start to get a really nice flips from, around these regions up into these highs is 140 pips, which is fantastic. So the more GJ kind of pushes down here, the more we can consider longs. Now, if we look at this from a 4-hour perspective, we got all this resistance here. See this resistance broken? Haven't come down to confirm this is support. So only now have we tested this as a support. We're currently grabbing that previous 4-hour low. So this is a low that we needed to grab before we could potentially have a pushback down. We may spike down a little bit lower and come grab some lows down here. But these two lows are of interest for me. Once we come and liquidate these, we could look for GJ to potentially have a run back up to these highs, which would be very, very nice. So as that 30 just closed on GJ. Yeah, 30's closed nice. Broken this level, nice little top wick there. I've only just jumped on the charts, but that would have been a lovely little short there into the 25 pips, stops above the highs. Very, very nice. So we're going to wait to see how we're going to react around this low. And if we break this low, then maybe we can short it back down into this low as well, which will still be like 30 pips, which is great. It's what we want to see. Look at this. We are right at this level here, which is going to be a very, very interesting level. So GJ can look like it's dropping hard now, but this is what we need in order for us to have a push back up. Let's take a look at this trend line that we got coming up here as well. I've got a trend line like this, maybe it kind of works like this. So currently reacting around this, we've got this 1, 2, 3, third touch, coming up for that fourth touch, so we're getting some manipulation right now. So it'll be interesting to see how we react around this inner trend line. And you kind of got an outer trend line like this as well. So two very, very interesting levels for GJ right now. So GJ could be interesting today, but the good thing is we're seeing volume. And this is what we want to see. We didn't get any volume yesterday at all. This is more volume than we had pretty much in mostly all of the London and Asian session yesterday. And US session yesterday. So this is great. We just want to see them closures, and then amazing. We can look to take some trades. So that's it. Let's have a quick look at EJ. I imagine it's very similar to GJ. Ooh, look at that. Creating some big liquidity down there. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down there on EJ. Anyone trying to jump in long on EJ off this support, expect they're doing something like this, looking for this huge play up. So what's price going to do? Price is going to come back down, wick out this support, grab all this liquidity, grab anyone trying to go long too early before then a potential push back up. So this is quite nice. This is nice on EJ. Setting alert down here on EJ before we come and grab them lows. How's Goldie looking? Yeah, see, look at that. Gold's starting to find some support now. We want that 30 closure, so we're just going to wait for that closure. Let's just see where we're at. Yeah, so we're going to wait for that 15 and 30 closure. This is 15 starting to form, coming into the last 5 minutes of this 15. Peach joining. Yeah, look at that. 5 minutes time to go strong now. Let's just wait for this 15. Let me have a quick scan of the calendar for today. We have Euro news at 10 a.m. London time, and then we've got core retail sales for the US dollar later on today as well. And then we've got CPI for the Canadian dollar, so pretty big news later on. Hey, how's it going, man? Good man. Yeah, hopefully we get some good volume today. That's what we want to see. I want to see some good volume. Oh, mate. Yes, yesterday was insane. Looking like we were getting some nice breakouts, then couldn't break the highs, straight back down. Same again, straight back down. This pre-London move here has kind of done more than almost all of what US did yesterday. So I'm hoping we get some nice breakouts to short it down into the lows. That was nice 40 pips. When it was this. A little more, yeah. Yeah, as soon as, I just really want a closure. I don't want to jump in this too soon, but as soon as we get that closure of this 30 support, I'm going to look for it to come and grab that 30 high, and I'll be shorting it down into Friday's lows. Kind of got a little bit of trend line liquidity sitting up there now as well. But if we do close back above this support, then I want to long it up into these highs. Still 100 pips, which is great. But we are getting some nice pre-London volume, which is good. To be fair, we had that yesterday as well, actually. Had that pre-London volume, and I got trapped, and then just continued to mess around. Yeah, sucked volume-wise, catching up now in a nice sell from 170.4. Very nice. Very, very nice. 170.4, yeah, all the way up there. Beautiful. Running 70 pips. Very, very nice. Yeah, 4 hourly is looking very, very interesting on GJ. Find some support here. Maybe come back up and re-grab just these highs, talking 100 pips, which is beautiful. Just going to wait for this, same again, wait for this 30 to close. See if we actually break this level, or we hold and we start to push back up and potentially go higher. Yeah, a little trend line there as well. So we could come and grab some more highs first. Um, 24 people watching on YouTube, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. Hopefully, we make that bank today. Hopefully, we get some nice volume, catch some nice moves. Yeah, Goldie's looking great now. I'm going to see how this 15 closes, see if we get early move. Hey Aaron, are you looking at any swings? Jay, what's going on, man? I was looking at NZD USD yesterday for a nice little swing. Yeah, it's coming back down now. I was looking at AUD NZD swing longs after we grabbed this low yesterday and then rebroke this high. So I was looking at something like this. Break that high. What do we just hit there? 3.5, pretty nice. Now coming back down. At the minute, I'm probably going to be waiting for CPI, sorry, not CPI, core retail sales later on, before we get any real swings. I do think gold can potentially have a push back up to the highs pretty soon. So I would like to get in a swing trade on gold. I just need to see gold come and liquidate some lows before we can do that. Oh, nice 15 close there. Need a little push up to catch this retracement and short on gold. Look, it looked like you've missed the move, and you notice this support, and this is the support that could give you the pullback to potentially take this even lower. So I need this to now, let me just clean this up. Either come and grab the previous 15, like this, and then go lower, or come up and grab this 30 high, and then go lower. This is a really solid push down now on gold. Managed to catch that GU short from 1.253. Took me a day of holding, but it's worth it. Very good. Very, very nice. Yeah, GU had a nice push. Had a very nice push. Oh, massive push. 1.253. Yeah, very, very nice. 1.253 up here. Yeah, very nice. What are you running? 60 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, Michael, what's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. Ooh, as long as... Ooh, and let's left a nice little double bottom there on gold. Very nice. Get a pull back and look for a short into that. Oh, did we just grab it? Ooh, we did just wick out that low and have a quick reaction there. It was very interesting. Look at that. We grabbed it, but I think we may feel that in a little bit more. This can pull back up and grab some... Yeah. Have you got... Have you shared a chart? Oh. Were you talking to me, Blake? No, I guess not. Excuse me. Maybe some Discord up there. See, yeah, we get nice. This 30 is looking fantastic on gold. If this 30 closes like this, and then the next one comes up and gives us the top wick, I think we get a really nice push. Whether we come and grab that previous 30, we'll have to see. Oh, what's going on there? We'll have to see. But as soon as we get a nice closure here on this 30, nice top wick, maybe retest this level, and I want to short it all the way back down there. We may even not pull back up that high. If we've got good momentum, we may just come and, if we now break this little minor level, we may just quickly wick up, have a little hook there, and have a nice little drop into the lows, which I am more than happy with. GJ, 15 close on GJ. Very, very bearish. Very nice. So you can short GJ down into here now for a potential come and retest these highs. 50 pips. But your stop has to be 50 pips as well. So it's a pretty large stop. It's not a great risk reward if you were to take the break of this low now. Stops. Take the break of that low. Come back down, retest these levels. Yeah, you might scalp 40 pips, but risk reward is not that great. I'm going to wait for that 30 to close.
Oh, you need to eat.
All we do is work. Yeah, all eyes on this 30 closure. This 30 closure is going to be key for our pairs. 29 people watching on YouTube. Guys, appreciate you tuning in. Drop a little like. Check out that pinned video as well so you can understand we're actually trading today. Clean up these lights. Yeah, see, if this 30 on GJ closes back above this level at this support, you never know. We may run up a little bit higher, or maybe we'll come back down and grab that 30 low one more time. Very, very interesting now. But the 4 hourly on GJ is at that massive key level. All of this on GJ is one key level. So, like I say, it can look incredibly bearish. You notice that it comes into these levels and things can change around really quick. Oh, look at that gold. Solid push on gold. This is beautiful. I should have got on the charts earlier. Is there an entry here on this gold one? No, not really. Oh, that one there. Wicked out that high. 30 pip push. Very nice. Very nice. But yeah, this 15 on gold is pushing hard, but we need this to retrace before we can enter this. How's our EJ looking? Is this 30 starting to form? Ooh, look at that. That's a lot of liquidity down here. Now flipping back up on EJ. How's that Owly looking? Yeah, Owly's still pretty bearish though. For Owly. Ooh. We're very surprised if we don't. The thing is, what was that? That's the low of yesterday at 8 a.m. Did GJ grab that low? Yesterday at 8 a.m. No, not yet. So there's a lot of liquidity being left now on GJ and EJ, which is very nice. Yeah, strong reaction now. This 30 is going to be very, very interesting. That's that 5 minute looking. Oh, look at that. Wicked out the lows. Boom. Straight back up. That's a big push. Big push. Just wait 7 minutes for this to close. For you guys on YouTube, feel free to ask any questions whilst we wait for this close. So we get some nice pushes. Gold is looking great. You hungry? I can wait. Yeah, it's very hot. Let's go for 15. Morning, mate. Good to see you again. Rad, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, I think we get some nice volume today. I think we get some great volume. This push here on gold is more than what we did in the entire Monday move. So this is beautiful. Oh, we've got 5 more minutes. This is going to close. Look at that. Even on the break of that low, what we just hit, 20 pips. Stop would have had to be 40. This is looking nice on gold. Even when gold, oh, look at that. Gold's now grabbing yesterday's low, which is very interesting. I think we can come down and spike out Friday's low. But gold is back at a very key level of support without grabbing any daily highs for the past 3 days, including today. So once gold does liquidate some lows, you can have a run back up to highs with the fundamentals going on later on. It could be a beautiful US session. Look at that 30 pushing. Was there an entry on this sell-off at all on gold? Nah, Ron, not really, to be honest, man. This 30 closed bearish. I had to see this 30 break this support, and it would just push down. No entry for me. Even the 15. 15's not liquidated any previous 15 highs. So no, unless you were like, somehow catching it around here in Asia, this current London move. For me, there's no entry just yet. I have to see this find some support, and then I have to see it pull back up and grab some 15-minute highs, which we haven't done for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 candles before I can take this back lower. So no, not really, man. Kind of just got to let this run for now, unfortunately, because it looks painful just watching it run and just drop off the face of the earth, because this is a crazy, almost 100 plus pip move pre-London. But unfortunately, we just have to let it do its thing. But once we do find that support, we're going to take it higher. Sorry, take it lower. Once we find that support, we can grab some 15-minute highs, create some space, and then boom, we'll take it for the continuation back down. But this is a big push. If anyone did catch this push, they would trade in maybe Asia. Amazing, very nice. Look at that. I'm okay. Do you want? What are you gonna get? Oh, yeah, no. Oh, I need to jump off the bike later, so I can't really do that. Have that mind. And then doesn't mean you can. Actually, you can. GJ. Oh, what time frame is that on GJ? Look at that. 15 top wick. Retesting that level. Hey. Do they have them there? I'll have a look at the menu. Please. I was watching for a break above 22 overnight. 22. Oh, here, yeah. Me too, man. Me too. Thank you. What did you get? Oh. Aloha, Rami. What's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. All right, 2 more minutes to 30. It's going to close in our pairs. Yeah, I haven't got my Zoom video on. Let me get my Zoom video on. There we go. How's it going, man? Back in Thailand. Had to come back. I was away for too long. Had to come back again. I've only got a week and a half? Yeah, I got like 10 days left. So, making the most of it. 10. Yeah, so I did 2 weeks with the community guys and then went back to Australia for a couple of days, and now I'm doing about 2.5 weeks with my girlfriend. Yes. Yeah, I'm hoping we get some nice trades this morning. I want to catch some nice positions. I'm in some strong volume. And then we got 5 more seconds till this 30 is going to close, which is what we want. All right, beautiful. So that 30 close, amazing. Now, if gold can come now back up and give us a retracement, maybe grab this 5-minute high, I'm going to look to take this lower. Let me just clean this up a bit now. We've broken that low, amazing. That's a huge push on gold. And you just come back up. We just have that previous. We just liquidated that low. 20 pips to come retrace. How's GJ just closed on that 30? Yeah, very bearish. Nice. So if GJ can come back up and give us a top range for grabbing this low, we can now just respect this low, pull back up, maybe retrace these levels, and then we short it back down into here. 50 pips, amazing. How's EJ? EJ coming to grab that low now? Oh yeah, look at that. EJ creating a lot of liquidity. Let me remove this alert because I'm trying to watch it. Cool. Yeah, this is a really nice breakout on gold. So much volume this morning, which is amazing. Hourly is now at this support, but I still think we can come and grab Friday's low. Just really want this current 30s, maybe even just come back up, retest this level, retest some of these wicks, and I'll short it back down. Stops are going to be quite big though, which is the only thing. Above the previous 30 is 80 pips, which is way too big, so I'd have to get a more refined 15 entry. Or if we do something like this on gold, if we can come back up, retest these levels, then once we do that, I'll probably take this momentum play back down and have stops above wherever this retracement's going to be and have this run down like this. Friday's low, so close to the 2K as well. Yeah, Ron, it is, man. It is. You got that 4 hourly. Yeah, so close, man. I think we can come and it's 2000, such a huge level that we're going to come and test it again. You know, we may even come and grab this low all the way back down there. So it's a very very big area, gold. And with that gold news later on as well, what's a nice little double bottom down there? Look at that. How did I just spot that? There. With that news later on, I think we get some nice follow throughs today. So as soon as gold comes up for this retracement, I want to take this lower. So we can just see some 15-minute liquidity grabs of these highs. Maybe come and grab this 15-minute high. I'll probably wait and take the break of this low, maybe even this low to take it down some more. Ooh, GJ now grabbing that previous 30-minute low, which is very nice. 4 hourly on GJ is looking solid. There's that hourly. Where could GJ come on the daily? GJ on the daily can maybe come back down and retrace down here. Call it 170. Is that what I already had on? No. 15. Grabbing that previous 15-minute low. Haven't grabbed the 15 high on GJ just yet. No, I'm okay, thank you. 5-minute on gold. 184. Yeah, this high is going to be of interest for me. I was watching this NZD USD yesterday for longs. Daily's flipped beautifully bullish, incredibly bearish, flip back bullish now after retesting these levels. So I am watching NZD USD for another potential push back up to the highs. See if we can come back down. See how we react around this level. I'm grabbing some lows, or maybe even spike down a little bit lower and maybe retest these highs would be beautiful. I'm set an alert down here. See if we can get that spike, maybe even here. For a potential run back higher. And I've got a little trend line sitting there as well now, so maybe we will get that. Anyone trying to jump in longs, maybe on NZD USD, trying to do maybe something like this. So if we can spike down that a little bit more, you'll see a nice push back up. Goldie, re-breaking the lows. Still no entry for me on gold. Has to come and grab some 15-minute highs. I've got to stick to the plan. Because the 30, yeah, 30's not retraced at all. Same as GJ. 30's not retraced at all. So it could be grabbing this previous 30-minute low to potentially have a push up higher. So we got time. We got time. You got charge?
Thank you.
What's hot? Okay. Yeah. Give us an entry, Goldie. Give us an entry. Just pushing, man. Been on the sell. 2005.98. 2005.98. Is that on the 5, isn't it? 2009. Yeah. If you got like this one, after it wicked out them highs, yeah, you probably want to you want to be at break even, just because we're now that previous 30 did find a little bit of support. We are now grabbing that previous 30 with a lot of untested support and resistance up here as well. That's my only concern. So it's interesting to see if, and also the fact that, I would like to see gold grab Friday's low, but gold has now just grabbed yesterday's low, which could be enough of a liquidity grab to run up higher. I just want to see it grab any lows. So the fact that gold has now grabbed yesterday's low without grabbing any daily highs, it's around this level, which is a huge level of support. All of this is one level. Call it 2010. Gold hasn't closed below 2010 since, bearish since back in April. So big level right now. Same as GJ. Same as GJ at this level here. No top weight just yet. So soon as GJ keeps pushing down, I think we can look for longs. But I am a bit skeptical of this current 30 on gold. There's going to be a true push if we break this low, or we just look it out and we retrace a little bit higher. Do you want anything? Yeah, I know. It's okay. If we're going to be here for like another few hours, we may as well get something. How's this 15 looking on gold? Yeah, if the 15 does break the previous 15-minute low, I think we'll have a drive lower. And I'm out, weights back up. That's good management, though, Ron. It's good management, man. If we break the 15 low, then we can potentially take it lower. But until that, I still think, once we do break these, we are going to come up and liquidate some highs. We have to liquidate some highs in order for this to push back down. Whereas if this just keeps running, I don't care. I'll let it run. But in order for me to want to take it, it has to grab these highs. Do you want anything?
Yeah.
What are you going to get?
Sweets and salad and some chips to share.
Oh, yeah. What do I want? Okay. Mark just called EJ. Oh, let me see. Oh, beautiful. EJ, wow, holy shit. Let me see that. EJ, what was that? Wait, what time frame is he on there? Oh, Euro pound. He thought? Euro pound. Oh, yeah. Huge push. I don't like this pair. That's a huge push. That's a banging push. This is very nice. Oh, look at GJ, man. GJ is solid. Absolutely pushing. Not grabbed any 15-minute highs on any of these. Did EJ grab the 15-minute high? Yeah, EJ did. Yeah, it's a huge catch on pound yen. Euro pound.
Spot the difference.
Eh?
I was like, spot the difference. So I put the minus to
Oh,
Can you tell?
not really. Maybe if you zoomed into it, you probably could. Yeah, a little bit.
Just leave it.
Yeah, I'd leave it, yeah. Blame last week on the Changs. Now no distractions, back to the routine. Goldie. Still no entry for me though. Still no entry. I'm not going to jump in this for no reason. I have to see it follow the plan. I can delete these all now. We know what the liquidity is. Where was yesterday's low? Monday's low. That was Monday's low. 5 more minutes. If this 15 breaks this, closes below this low, amazing. I want to take this lower. You know, I just have to see this grab the 15-minute highs to boom. Morning, Aaron. Adam, what's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. Good morning to you too. Would you be able to order, please? Would you be able to order? That, please.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Do you want a drink?
No, I'm okay, thank you. I'll leave it there. There's 5 minute looking on Goldie. Yeah, nice. This is looking good. This is looking good. Nice. EJ is fine still. EJ is still struggling. GJ is pushing. I've got some pound news because pound pairs are booming. Yeah, we have. Sterling falls as UK jobs data rises. UK payroll change. Yeah, look at that. Big pound news just came out. That's why we had that massive push on pound. That's why euro yen's kind of stalling. That's why pound's pushing, and euro yen's stalling. So maybe now you've had that pound news. Maybe this daily on GJ is just going to completely flip lower. I'd be surprised if you don't liquidate some highs, but you know, if the fundamentals are in place, we may not. Yeah, NZD's looking really nice to take higher today. 15, that's that 15. Ooh, see, look at this. If gold doesn't close below this previous 15 low and we reject like this, I think we could pull higher. In order for me to want to short this, it has to close below this previous 15-minute low. Otherwise, this could be a 30-minute liquidity grab of the previous low before then potentially pushing higher. This is the reason I haven't jumped in just yet. It looks incredibly bearish, but we have to break below this previous low. Because that previous 30 did find some support. Now this current 30 is finding even more support. And you've got this 15 close in about 20 seconds. So we'll see. If we hold above it, how many more pips we got up into the highs? About 35. Is there a potential long setup? It's a bit aggressive because you have a strong push back down. 5 minutes now, I'm flipping bullish. If it engulfs that candle, you could say see gold to have a 40 pip retracement. Oh, there you go. A nice strong 5 minute flip there on gold. Look at that. That was the last 5 minutes, that 15 failing to break this low. But then we come down and retest that previous 15, and you may see a push higher. What would stops be? If we were to now come back down and we take the break of this high, stops would be around 35 pips for a potential up into this level, 30. And if the 30 is going to flip back up bullish, very interesting. Has that 15 close on GJ. Waking out that 4 hour low, have an instant reaction. Prices these things are getting interesting now. Going up to that London Open as well. EJ stalling a little bit. It's definitely hit the candle lows, not the wick. That could flip now. Yeah, it could flip now, man. It really could. The fact that we didn't break this and close below this low is what I was slightly skeptical of. So, depending on how this next 5 minute goes, I'd like to see it come down, maybe retrace a little bit, and I'd consider long. So slightly aggressive because it has pushed incredibly bearish pre-London, but it is also pre-London. So that potential pre-London fake out for a real move, we'll have to see. that is fine as support. And we have, we have grabbed that daily low from yesterday. Ooh, look at this hourly. Hourly starting to leave a big wick. Hourly is leaving a big wick and this hourly support. Very, very key level on gold right now. Very, very key. Um, 44 people in the building. Guys, remember, drop a little like for the stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Alad's in the building. It's 15, starting to push back up. 5 minutes split bullish. We've only pushed 5 pips. Yeah, big drop, man. Big drop. Yeah. Yeah, GJ has some big pound news. No entries on gold for me though. Price just fell. Drop in pre-London, so but we'll find some support now. So I'm wondering if gold's gonna come up and grab some highs. Afternoon, boys. Looking like a potential gold swing long. Yeah, Kane, potentially, man. Now that we've grabbed yesterday's low, you could see this actually have another big continuation higher. Let me just clear everything off for a second. Do we have a third drive there? Yeah, we did, yeah. But yeah, we got core retail sales later on. That's going to be the real mover for gold for a potential swing. Ooh, gold is now grabbing them previous 15-minute highs. Yeah, this could be nice. That 5-minute flip was very tasty. Support broke back above. 20 pips. Instant 20 pipperoonies. Yeah. Yeah, solid level. That I like that. Because it is at that gold is at that hourly support. Hourly. You've got the last 10 minutes of this hourly now as well. This hourly closed back above this level. You may see a run higher. Yeah, it would. Yeah. 4 hourly can still push. I still think we get a push into some daily highs because the past 3 days on gold we've not grabbed any daily highs before a push back down. 1, 2, 3. We grabbed any of these highs, so we may even grab these highs and just actually swing much higher. Yeah, it's good, man. Beautiful, very hot. It's a stunning day. Yeah, stop raining, man. It's a lovely day today. Looking out onto the sea right now. No, it's a hard life. I'll show you because how do I get into my phone? Oh, why's my camera so blurry? Why's my camera so? Oh, it's because my fucking background's blurred. That's okay. You don't want to see. You don't want to see. Anna doesn't want to see. There you go. Yes. That's not nice. That's not nice. Um, nice. It did have a big drop on gold. Like literally none of these 15 grabbed any 15 minutes highs. It just momentum was so strong that it just kept moving. Yeah. Yeah, with pound use, it'd be pretty stupid to jump in a train pre-pound use. But I like the fact that the daily on GJ is retesting a big level here, and no, it has no top wick. Oh, stop it. But yeah, this 30 on gold is going to be very, very interesting. This 15 goes back above this level, but there's nothing super clear right now. I mean, I can see so many levels on gold. I can just see this level. We can start getting trapped in between there, and I can see a level where we could just get trapped in between there. There's a lot of ranges. This range is 40 pips, which is great. This range is only 17 pips, which is not great. Yeah, there's so many levels where it's trapped. Yeah, the 30 is nice though. The 30 is really nice. Grabbing that previous 30 low. If I wanted a long, I'd probably have to see it close back above here. And how many pips is that? That's 40 pips, which is nice. Yeah, yeah, very clean. Um, yeah, off to work now. But fantastic stream, Aaron. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Hope you have a good day. Have a good day, man. Follow neck round. GJ30, looking at that previous 30 low, which was the low that I wanted to see grabbed before a potential run up higher. So we just had an instant 20 pip reaction off that low. Is EJ moving yet? Yeah, if EJ breaks back above, EJ could run higher. Owlie's looking pretty nice. We have to see it close maybe above this level. This range is 13 pips. Yeah, I bet, man. Yeah, no worries, man. All good, man. See you, mate. Bye, mate. See you, mate. Would like to ask Aaron, was there some dark points in your trading journey where you're like, F this, I can't do this anymore? Um, thank you. Yeah, Adam, loads, man. Loads. Anyone who tells you they haven't been through that in the start of their journey is bullshitting. Thank you. Yeah, I had loads of times in trading where you want to give up, you want to quit, you wonder if it's like a scam, if you even want to do this, and yeah, loads of things, man. But you just have to get through them dark times and make sure. When I was in them shit times, it was because I was following shit strategies and just, either trying to copy signals or not having a real plan. Whereas if you actually have a good plan and something's still not working, then you have to reevaluate what you're actually doing wrong. If you're just doing the same thing every single day and not changing anything, and that's not working, then you have to reevaluate what you're actually doing. If something's not working, you have to change it. You can't just say, I'm just going to keep going, keep grinding. That's all well and good. But if your trading plan doesn't work or whatever, you have to keep going. $1 lakh Australian dollar enough for trading? Yeah, absolutely, man. What is that? What do you mean 1 lakh? What do you mean? Welcome. But yeah, loads of dark times in trading, man. You're gonna have loads of dark times. Them dark times are never really gonna go. You just gotta learn to deal with them. And if you mean like dark times in terms of losses from trading, then that's just unfortunately part of the business that we're in. Yeah, it really does depend. Yeah, it just depends on why you're having them dark times or why you think you're having them dark times. But if it's because you're not like consistently making money, then you've got to switch up the plan. You got to switch up the plan and adapt. I'm gonna get this hourly closed up here soon. Well, gold leaving a massive wick on that hourly.
Enjoy.
Yeah. I need gold to close bullish back above here. No, I'll take it back higher. Otherwise, we could just boom and then boom. That's that 30. Looking at 30 still bearish. How is life in Australia in terms of safety? Yeah, it's pretty safe, man. Depends where you live. Everywhere has unsafe parts, but it depends where you live, man. For the most part, it's a pretty safe place. Yeah, apart from snakes. Apart from the wildlife, it's pretty safe. Just don't go in the sea or just don't actually leave your house. It should be alright. All the kids here are getting feral. No discipline. Yeah, all the essays. Yeah, bring that back. Yeah, the equivalent. Yeah, that's London. Yeah. Alright, as the hourly just closed, hourly on gold, we just left a massive wick to the lows. Massive wick to the lows, but we have still broken this support. 30s closed incredibly bearish, just closed doji. So there's no I won't touch gold in this range. This is the range gold's stuck in now. Couldn't break this little, see the support broken, resistance broken, support. So I won't trade this range, but if we can break above here, then amazing. I could maybe take it back up to here. Or if we break back below, amazing. I'll still take it down to lows. Have a look at GJ wicking out the lows. We have closed below the previous 30 low, which is quite nice. So GJ may have another drive lower. Come and grab the hourly low, sorry. I would need GJ to come and grab this 30 high. Yeah, how's EJ looking? EJ. Same with EJ. I won't do anything in here. We're getting some nice pre-London volume, so we just want that volume to stay. Does internet and electricity is available everywhere in Australia? I mean, not everywhere. It's a very big fucking place. There's loads of places without internet, but I mean, depends where in Australia you stay. Depends where you stay. Making it all sound like a third world country. Well, I mean, if you're asking, is there electricity everywhere? It's like, well, there's not electricity everywhere. If you go live in the outback, you're probably not going to get electricity and Wi-Fi. But if you live in a city, yeah, of course. Is there electricity everywhere in Australia? No, that's from an Australian. Really? There you go. Kate's mum's house can't get Wi-Fi, and that's near Byron Bay. Yeah. So as long as you live in a major city or popular place, you will never have any problems, of course. Except snakes and spiders and sharks and drop bears. Drop bears are the worst. Yeah, I just need, same with gold and EJ, I just need to break out of these little ranges. I think gold's going to push higher, but we're not going to trade off what I think. I need to see it close above that level. Same as EJ. EJ past two 30-minute candles in EJ, past hour on EJ has been bearish after having an aggressive push back down. So yeah, I just need to see, unfortunately now another 30 or 15 closure out of this little minor range. I won't trade gold in this range, it's way too small. Yeah, patience. And it is just the London Open, so we've got time. We've got time. Where are you off to, man? Nice. Oh, really? Oh, shit. Holy shit. Hey, that's pretty mental. Mental. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Last week had a beautiful, beautiful close. Let me have a look. Let me just get this shit off my hands. Let's have a look. Where we at? And ZD Swiss franc still dropping hard. Daily close was incredibly, incredibly bearish. Thank you. Weekly, yeah, incredibly bearish. We're getting a top wick on this current weekly. Yesterday flipped bullish actually. Similar to NZD USD that I was looking for longs yesterday. Starting to find some support and flip back bullish. If anyone is doing this, 120 pips, I would be more than securing some partials. that weekly close was looking fantastic. Absolutely ridiculous call. Oh, DAX, yeah, no, let's look at the DAX. Mm, yeah, yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, 15-minute break there. Mm, yeah, yeah, nah, nah. Looks like I probably even got you at spreads. But yeah, 15 was much nicer. You'd already be out. Yeah, 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 I like that. Now just grabbing the lows as well. Yeah, definitely, definitely. I'm still trying to get to grips with the ASX as well and the Asian sesh for you Oz guys. See if we can get some plays. Had that drawn up last week. What did that hit? Yeah, it's a pretty nice move. Grab the high, split bearish. What we done today in Asia? Where's Asia today? Pushed up. Not much. Yeah, pretty messy. Pretty messy. Nice looking. Very messy. All right, gold is now retesting that support, which is nice. Yeah, not yet. Still needs to. I mean, it could flip up from here, but still, it's not worth it for me. It's not worth risking my money.
Plenty.
um, how many people we got on YouTube? 43 people? 43 people on YouTube. Guys, remember to drop a little like for the stream. Drop a little like. We just post in the chat. How do I post something in here? File. A 5-minute Goldie. 5-minute can re-break. I think we're gonna have a nice drive. Nice, respecting that support nicely. Once, twice, third time, 3 times is the one. Right, 1 minute snipe. Who's with me? Little double top there. Go on, you wouldn't. There you go. There's a signal. The heat's getting to me. Oh, yeah, I remember that. I have to save it till next time. Thank you. Lord, what's going on there? Yeah, it's still going as well. It was a 15-minute look around. Well, if you go have a look at it now, it's even worse. Legal man, the more you spam the same question, the more I'm not going to reply. Are you in that long? No, not yet, man. Not yet. I'm just trying to up for fun. I'm not actually in this yet. Not yet, man. I'm just drawing this up for bands. I'm not actually. I'm actually taking this. We do. Gold has just left his little 1 minute double top. So, Kane, you should see it now. It's even worse. I'm gonna look right now. Come on, man. Have a little look. Drop a little like. How's Thailand's been? When's the retreat video coming? Adam, hopefully I'm gonna try and get it out this weekend. Sorry, I'm gonna try and get it out this weekend, man. I got so many clips to go through and edit. I'm gonna try and get it out this week. I got 2 videos coming. I did one in Bangkok with Alad and Joe, and then we did the retreat in Phuket, and then we did another video in Koh Samui as well. Look at that! Look at that 1 minute reaction. Yeah, so I got so much to go through, but I have started it. I'm trying to get it out. Yeah, definitely. Like the stream for gold to run 10R, not fake. Yeah, gold's gone up here now. We've only got a little 1 minute head and shoulders there. That's what I was looking at. Yeah, what's TJ doing? Ooh, EJ as well. This 4 hour on GJ could flip. That's 5:11, yeah. Yeah, that's at 15's about to close. EJ. Ooh. EJ just broken back above our level. Stop loss would be 15 pips. Got any double tops to long into? Can maybe see a flip as gold is closed. How's that 30 looking on EJ? I think I prefer the look of GJ. Just a few questions and you are not able to reply. I've replied to almost every single question you've asked. But if you ask me about options buying in Australia, just Google it, man. Just Google it. Will you answer my question or should I just leave? All right, let me just ban you instead. How do I ban you? Put user in timeout. There you go. You're in timeout now. Fuck me. Fucking hell. Time time out until you learnt your lesson. I answered way more than enough of your questions. Now you get time out. You don't get to watch it all. And now we're going to take a 100 pip trade on gold. Fuck me, man. How's this 30 looking on gold? Still a bit doji. Yeah, it would. It really would. How's the 5 minute looking? Yeah, we're still just flipping. 15. God will move. We'll move once the stream and Zoom stops. Yeah, Ron, probably. We're staying on all day now. Just because you said that, you jinxed it. We're staying here all morning now. We're not leaving. No, we're not. Oh, on EJ? GJ. Yeah, it does look nice, to be fair. It does look nice. We liquidated the lows. Probably be break even around these highs, 17 pips. Yeah, it looks nice. We're just grabbing that previous 5 minute low. After this, yeah, I think it makes sense. I think I'm going to put this in as well. Let me see if I get some time. Yeah, I'm going to put this in. Again, it stops around 14 pips. Looking for this to come back up and retrace this level for potential 40. Only once it breaks that previous 15 minute high. How's that 30 looking? Yeah, 30 is looking quite nice. 30 still could come great bottom wick. I'm going to put it in at half risk. I'm only putting it at half risk. EJ is looking nice as well. If we don't flip in this 5 though, I'll probably monitor, but the fact that this 5 has just wicked out that previous 5 minute low, and the 15 has closed bullish, there's no reason to not take this setup. But I would just have to be break even very quick as well, like maybe around here. That's the only concern. You have to be break even very quick. But if we get some good volume, we could have a nice push like this. This is what we want. Last 50 seconds of this 5 minute. This could even, if we get some good volume, this could even run all the way back up here. Oh, that's a lovely little trend line fake out there. Fake out, retest, boom. How long we got till this 15? We got 10 more minutes till this 15 is going to close. Have to be break even very, very quick. Probably be break even here, 10 pips, 12, up into here, 17. Alright, nice 5 minute close there. Nice 5 strong body. How's the 30 starting to look? Right. If you don't re-break that 30 high, then it's fine. I won't take it. Will we break even? Yeah, around 10 to 12 pips. Oh, that looks good. Whatever drink that is. GJ looks like along to me. SD flip and play, but looks like it. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, Adam. Looks good to me too, man. Looks good to me. This 15 is going to be key. This next 15 is the 15 and 30 closure. This 30 close is nice and strong. We should be good for a nice push. It has to re-break that high though. Yeah. Just to break this little 5 minutes of resistance. Kane, yeah, I've got this in, man. I've got this in. I haven't been tagged in just yet. My entry is a few pips above this high. I got this in at half risk. Half risk because it's an aggressive reversal trade. And I'll have to be break even pretty quick. So if we get some nice volume, I'll scale in my second position once we get a nice push. That'd be pretty much. I'm going to see how this 5 minutes is going to close. If this 5 minutes is going to close doji, I may cancel. And just wait for that 30. But if this has a nice strong push and breaks this little resistance, I think we're good. Yeah, it's nice actually level, nice round level. Oh, there you go. I've just been tagged. I just got tagged in on that. The spreads. I just got tagged in there. Didn't actually break the high, so I shouldn't have taken the entry, but spreads have just tagged me in. But it still hasn't broken that high yet, so it's not really valid for longs just yet for me. Spreads did just get me in. If this 5 minute doesn't flip bullish though, I'm just going to cut it. And half risk, so it's not a lot. The hourly is at hourly resistance as well, hourly support. So you've got this resistance, broken support, broken resistance. So if anything, the hourly could flip bearish from here. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Let's see. We got 1 more minute. What's the stop loss on that, Aaron? 14 pips, man, around 16956. Get a nice closure like this. This is what we want. Where is that resistance? We'll have to manage here. Around here, I'll probably have to manage. Yeah, I like that. 698, yeah, all of that is a nice level. Yeah. We're coming into the last 5 minutes of this 30 as well. This 30 is looking pretty good for now. 15 minutes looking nice. We are at a barrier. Manage. Yeah, I'll probably manage here. What's up, bro? Alien, what's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. Good to see you back on the streams. If this 5 minute on GJ comes back down and re-breaks this previous 5 minute low, I'll probably cut it. I want to see it respect this low because this was the liquidity ground low. This was the retest low. So maybe we can retest these highs, but it shouldn't come back down and break this 5. So if we do that, I'll probably cut it. But we could just retest these highs and go higher. We cut it like most 6 pips, which is very nice. Oh, it's hot, man. It's hot. It's hot. See if we get a nice push. A nice push. $41 people tuning in. Remember, guys, drop a little like for the stream. Be back again on Friday for the London stream, and then back on Thursday for an Asian stream. This is the last 5 minutes of this 30 as well, so this 5 has to close bullish, otherwise this 30 could be just respecting this little minor level here. Really like the streams. Thank you, man. Thank you. Here we go. There we go. All right. I'm going to have physical stops in here now as well. Physical stop below that previous 5-minute low. Oh, they're ruining my stream. Lovely reaction. Yeah, really, really nice reaction. This 5-minute is the most important 5-minute. This 5-minute has to close bullish. 9 pips, you just hear 7 pips, not bad. But the hourly has wicked out that low, flipped incredibly bullish. Why did you put TP there? My actual TP is not there. My TP will be much higher. I never put in physical TPs, but I will be break even around these little levels. It may be even soon because this is the level we can retest these and go lower. But my actual TP will be somewhere around these levels. I haven't put in a physical take profit. Never ever set a physical take profit. See, if we start to stall from here in the last 2 minutes, I'll start to manage. Because we were flipping bullish, and the fact that we're coming back down now. See, 1 minute stalling. If it comes back to my break even, I may actually cut it because this is the 5-minute that's the most important 5-minute of this entire move up. This 5-minute right now is the most important 5 minutes. Yeah, TP will probably be maybe even around here. You know, still got 35 pips, which should be a nice level to come and retrace. Yeah, 170, a nice psychological level. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. All this support. Broke. Boom. Yeah. So if this 5-minute closes doji, then I will probably go break even because the 30-minute could come down and create a bottom weight before going higher. Or if they close like this and pushes higher, then that could be a top weight before going lower. There you go, that's pushed down. Last 1 minute of this 5-minute. See if we can get some nice volume. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we want to see. We want to see a nice body closure. Yeah, 30's looking pretty solid as well. Thing is, the only concern is this 30 could come back down and create a bottom width all the way back down here before going higher. So if we have to quickly take some partials and even go break even, then we may do that. Let's see, we got 20 more seconds till this is going to close. I want a nice strong body closure here. A nice strong body. If the 5-minute closes like this, I'm going to go break even in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. I've gone break even on this position now. Risk is off the table. How that was 10 pips around. 10 pips around here. The fact that this 5-minute, which is the last 5-minute of the 30, just closed doji, makes me think this 30 can actually come back down and retest some levels before going higher. So I don't want to then go from being in profit to then sitting in drawdown. I'll just re-enter. So yeah, I'm risk free on this one. What part of the globe are you making dough? I'm in Thailand, man. I'm still in Thailand. I'm making some bank in Thailand. The fact that this current 30 is having this push up makes me think we could be creating a top weight before coming to create a bottom weight. So if we hit around, 15, 20 pips, we may take some. Re-breaking that previous 5-minute high now, which is nice. Very nice. 10 pips will be around there. You could be grabbing this. How's that 15 looking? Nice. How's Goldie looking? It's not much gold as well. Gold 15, doji, 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 doji. Very, very doji. Nothing on gold just yet, which is fine. We're now just re-breaking that previous 15 and 30 minute high as well. So it's going to be a very key level now on GJ. Could be wicking out that 30 high, creating that top wick on this current 30 before then. How about a push back down to maybe even retest these levels? Gold possibly break that high. Oh, nice. There you go. Let's push on GJ now. Just grabbing that little high. 10 pips. No, I'm going to secure 50% there with 10 pips. Nothing huge, but it's the top wick. Yeah, I'm closing 50% there because that's the level where we can start to reverse from. Now it's my level. If we get a runner that runs up even higher, amazing. We'll continue to hold, but I think it's going to come back down and create a bottom wick before going higher. So regardless if it's 10 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, this is a level where price could grab and go lower, so we have to manage our position. So taking a little bit off the table there makes sense to me. Considering short on gold into the lows, let's see. How's that 30 just goes on gold? I mean, yeah, it's bouncing off support. You got this resistance there, may come back down, but it's a bit. It's just in this. It's just in this range. Yeah, 20 pip range. It's personally not worth it to me. If you get that hourly close above, you can get for a little bottom wick, and then you could long gold back up into maybe this high here, which would still be like 30 pips, which is way more worthwhile. But yeah, that's my only concern with gold right now. The reason I'm not over-analyzing gold is because I'm not doing anything with gold, so that 30 breaks either above this level or below this level to short into the lows. This current 30 on GJ to me is giving me signs of potentially flipping bearish. You know, we got that resistance there, broke support, broke resistance. We could be retesting this level to go lower. If we do break it, amazing. We get a really nice runner. But it is a very, very key reversal level right now. How many people we got on YouTube? 37 people watching on YouTube. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. What are YouTube having us push? I think gold can break higher. But like I said earlier, we're not going to trade off what I think. We're just going to wait for them closures. If 30 does close above this level, amazing. Then we can take it. But until that 30 closes, and it's the last 30 of the hourly, we just have to wait for that. GJ, if this can be the low of the day, this candle on GJ could flip all the way back up these highs, and we can have some pretty big runners. If that can be the low of the day, GJ has a lot of potential. We whipped out that liquidity low, that hourly low, and it had an instant reaction. Now we're having another strong push here. But like I said with that GJ one, it made sense to take it, and it made no sense to not take it. That's the reason we have to take it. Win or loss, we have to take that trade. It fit the plan. If we didn't take it, we'd just be trading off emotions. Yeah, me too, man. It was nice, clean. I love how we just had that instant reversal reaction right from that low that I'd marked out. Wicked it out, instant spike up. But you actually pointed that out to me as well, so I can't take all the credit. You pointed that one out to me as well, so I can't take all the credit. Look at the 4 hourly on EJ. 4 hourly on EJ is looking like we can absolutely flip to the moon. Yeah, GJ's cleaner. EJ, you have to wait for a closure above there, and then once you wait for a closure above there, then you come instantly into a resistance there, so it's a bit meh. Whereas GJ, lots of clean price action here. This clean to retrace. Even if we don't flip all the way back up, just retrace some of this move. That's all we're trying to play today. Yeah, good man. I just take it for 50. I'm going to take a look more soon, depending on this how 5-minute close. This is a nice strong push now, what we just hit. 18 pips, very nice. You want us to hold a full margin? Full margin, half risk. 18 pips, you could just take the rest off there. 18 pips on GJ on a nice 30 minutes into the London Open. While sitting in Thailand. Oh, sorry. Nice, good man. What did you hit? Yeah, 18 pips. So you riding GJ to Asia low? I don't know where that was Asia low. I don't really mark out Asia highs and lows. Where's Asia low? There. Yeah, I'm just running up to that support there. If we re-break that, this hourly fib's bullish, could go even higher. Yeah. Yeah, me too, man. I don't find it gives any significance to me in the slightest. Yeah, I've seen people do it for a while. I've looked at it before, but it just doesn't do anything. It's just support and resistance. That's all it ever is. Okay, nice push now, nice drive. What we just hit? Just hit 22 pips. All right, I'm going to go another 25% here, and I'm just going to leave a 25% runner. We get two, please. Thank you. Yeah, cool. I've just secured more there on GJ, and now the rest is now just a runner. So we just secured 75% around 22 pips, and the rest can do whatever it wants. Two strawberry daiquiris, actually. Kate was ordered one, so it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? When in Rome. Hey. I'm sorry. Go on. Go on. No, I can't. This is a trading retreat, Alan. Yes.
Trading retreat only.
Hey. Only trading. That's all we did. 20 pips on EU, Adam. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. 20 pips on a intraday trade is fantastic. Random question: Are you close to me right now? Escape Resort? Yeah, I am, Adam. Recognize the wall. Yeah, I'm at Escape Beach Resort, man. Really, really nice spot. Gold 5 minutes. Someone decided. Hasn't recognized. Adam on YouTube recognized where we are just from the wall. Oh my god. Have you been here before, Adam, or something? Because that's pretty crazy if not. Unless there's like a massive logo behind me. There is not a massive logo behind me. Yeah, look at Goldie. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, it's mental. It like zooms into it and starts finding it like straight away. You actually tracked your IP. Yeah, I stayed there. Such a nice resort. Oh, Adam, nice man. Yeah, it's amazing. Really, really nice resort. You got a pool right on the beach. Got the sea right here. One of the nicest spots I've stayed at, to be honest. Took off 80%. Yeah. And the runners can run to GJ flipping on the daily high. Who's holding runners all the way up to the daily flip? Full margin. All the way up here for 100 pips. Yeah, completely reversed. Booked out that low, completely reversed. 4 hourly. Spiked out all of that liquidity. Honestly, if this 4 hour can flip, this daily's gonna have a big, big run. Just booked after your recommendation. Yeah, good shot, man. It's really, really nice. Real, real nice. Not even too crazy expensive. Nice chilled spot. It's more of like a family vibe area. It's very nice. I said it's a family vibe area, and Alan said we're getting in the family vibes already. Meaning we're having a family. No? No. Thank God. Yeah, no, thank God. That's fine with me.
What happened to I want to know.
Maybe I'll have a child by the time I'm 35.
And then you'll be an old dad, remember?
I won't be
You'll
older.
be an old
I'm
They'll
still
have to
young.
wheel you around.
Yeah, it won't be long for me, yeah.
Sammy will be more of a present father than you.
37 likes. Remember, YouTube family drop a little like. Had a nice little catch today. 22 pips in London. Very, very nice. Yeah, gold is doing absolutely nothing again. Working out the lows, working out the highs. It's at that support, so it's expected that we're going to find some sort of support. If we re-break this level, you could short gold down into these lows. If we break above this level, you long it back up into these highs all the way up here. But until then, we're not going to do anything. And that's how simple you have to keep it. You have your levels, you wait for closures. In the meantime, you don't do anything. You simply react to them closures. You don't predict if gold's going to break above and go long. You wait for the markets to show you their cards, and then you take it. The cocktails are pretty good at that resort. Adam, yes, they are. Yes, they are. You've had a good taster of the menu, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
Kate's had a good taster of the menu. I don't think I've seen you sober since we've been here.
For a while.
I know. This is a trading retreat.
I like your other ones. Shouts.
It's
Strictly trading only.
strictly
retreat.
strictly trading only
Yeah,
retreat.
should I ask them what they did in their downtime when they weren't? Oh, wait. You didn't. Oh,
Alice said I shouted at him.
sorry.
Alice saying I shouted at him.
You should have shouted out more.
I didn't shout at him. We had a fight in the ball. Tax write-off holiday. Yeah, that's it, Ron. Tax write-off holiday. Another one. GJ. Yeah, we're chilling now. We're chilling. We let GJ do his thing. If it comes back to break even, fine. We've taken up 80%. If the runner continues, amazing. Now we're chilling. We are chilling. Yeah, likewise, man. Good shit. Very nice ball. Back in the zone. Back in the zone. Back in the bank. Like just that tiny little win there, made up of a lot of quick management trades. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, did you? Nice. Good. That's some good shit. Pina coladas, yeah. You like pina coladas. No, you don't? Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, Kate likes them as well. Alan.
No, I don't like them anymore.
Did you hear that? Oh, listen Discord. Oh, Luke caught a trade. Caught this earlier. How long have we been on YouTube for? An hour and 50. I may just call it soon and just let this GJ do its thing and wait to see what that US news brings later on. Gold is not going to do anything. Gold is probably going to wait for that news. GJ, we've caught an absolute banger of a 4 hour snipe. Look at that. 4 hour could have a aggressive push up. Really, really good push up. Wigged out that low and then bam, 40 pips. Amazing. All right, give me 2 secs. All right, guys, on YouTube, I'm going to let you guys go. We've just caught a really nice push there on GJ. For now, I've taken 80% off the table. Stops are at break even. The runner can continue running. If it comes back down, hits me at break even, I don't care. I've taken money at the markets this morning, and that's me done for London session. I'm now going to sit here, go enjoy some time in the pool, and then come back later for the US session and see what that news is saying. So if you guys did catch that quick scalp on GJ, then very, very well played. How about I just made this smaller, made this bigger. Caught a really nice play there. I'm going to be back on stream on Thursday for the Asian session, then back again on Friday for the London session as well. So I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day, and then I'll see you guys the next one. Appreciate you all tuning in. Remember, drop a little like, check out the other travel trading videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.